Hi guys, knife detector here. And I bet I know what you're wondering. What is this cool knife, right? For those of you that are new to my channel, this is the knife detector channel, and I make reviews on mostly vintage knives, but if I see a cool modern knife, I'll make a video on that. My channel, you might see videos that your granddaddy or your dad used to have, or your grandma, or your aunt. So for that matter, I want you to take a look at what I have for you today here. I don't just have one knife, I have a few. This is one of those knife sale videos, but I'm not going to sell a whole bunch of knives. But in my knife sale videos, I usually give you some insider information as to when they're going to go up for sale and what I'm going to charge. And this is one of those videos. I've always said to myself, if you like a knife, the way it looks, the way it works, the way it's designed, then the cost doesn't really matter. Every person is different, and to each his own. Some people are very meticulous, and they like for all of the tolerances to be exact. They like for all of the edges on the knife to be nicely shaved, right? And for that amount of money that you pay, you want to get the most for your money. You know, if you're going to buy a Shat Morgan and you want all of those tolerances, the spacing to be just perfect on your knife, right? But if you want a budget knife that's going to get the job done, that you don't mind beating up, well then that knife has a place in your tool chest too. That knife has a place in your life, because by having a knife, say for example like this is a Ridge Runner. I don't know what kind of Ridge Runner this is. I do know they don't make it anymore. It's discontinued. But look at this tank of a knife, guys. It is a husky knife. It is a lockback design. It says there, Ridge Runner RR420 stainless steel, handcrafted in China. Yes, this is a China knife. But look at this hulk of a knife, guys. It's a lockback. It does not snap closed, but it does snap open. It's got, I think, no play, or if anything, it's not even recognizable. It's a heavy-duty knife. This is one of the knives I'm going to be selling, guys. And this is going to be a quick video. It's basically just a knife sale video, but I wanted to show you this. And the knives I'm going to be selling today, they're not incredibly expensive. They're all going to go pretty cheap. But the purpose for that is twofold. One, I want to make room in my knife chest, right? That's one. Two, I also want to go ahead and share the wealth. You know, it may be that you saw this knife a long time ago and then they stopped making it and you wanted one. Well, here it is, okay? There might be a couple of those that you're going to see today, and they're going to be reasonably priced. So here's one. This is a Ridge Runner. Check it out. It's not the thickest steel in the world, but it's a hefty knife. This is a good work pal. This knife right here will not disappoint, I promise you. Okay, so that's one knife. This knife right here, just like all my other knives, will go up for sale tonight at midnight, and it's going to be a buy it now sale. This knife will be a buy it now, and get ready, guys. This is going to be free shipping on this knife. Buy it now, $12.75. $12.75 for this knife tonight at midnight. So if you watch my videos, click on the eBay link in my channel, and you can have this knife that's sharp, heavy-duty, good work knife to have, so you don't mess up your buck 110. It's about that size, maybe a little wider, thicker. You can have this knife for... that's $12.75, and that is including shipping, guys. All right, let's put this bad boy up. Next one. We have this one. Now, this one comes with the sheath right here. And I'm not a huge fan of this one. This one's going to go really cheap as well. Check this out. Check out this clip right here. It's got a heavy-duty clip, leather case. And what's in here? Just a piece of steel. It's a small Skinner. It is a small Skinner that is made by a company called United Company. That is a Japanese company, guys. And this little guy is a nice little pal to have when you're going to skin a knife. Sorry, it's not skin a knife. Like to see that happen, right? That would really be something. Skin a fish, or you're skinning some game, or maybe a rabbit. Perfect for some small game. Or if it's all you have, you probably can use it for a deer too. But you want to probably use something bigger than that. It's going to be very messy with something this size. But in any case, this would be perfect for going fishing. It has a hole here where you can attach some paracord, a lanyard loop if you want to, attach some paracord there, or a leather strap if you want. And this is just a nice little skinner. And this guy right here, $9.99 free shipping. $9.99 free shipping for that. That comes with the case just like that. Heavy duty clip, just like that. So $9.99 for this guy. All right, next up. Check this out, guys. Now, I bought this, and I just never used it too much. Bought this on eBay a while back, maybe 7 months ago, and I just never used it, so I'm going to pass it on. I'm just going to ask what I paid for this knife. I'm going to ask also for this knife, let's go with $12.75. Sounds like a good round number, and that's free shipping included. Okay, so check it out. Really good condition. It's like it was never used. This is a vintage Kutmaster Utica. I don't know if you can see that in there. Vintage Kutmaster Utica. Okay, so that's that blade. Nice snap. Let's check out the sheep's foot. Check out that sheep's foot. Pretty much perfect, guys. Okay, let's close that. Closed. Let's check out the spay-neuter blade. Doesn't seem like this blade has seen much spaying or neutering, but very good condition. As far as knives go, this right here is about 1, 2, 3. It's about a 4-inch knife, maybe 3 7/8 inches long, closed. Very good condition, as you can see. $12.75 shipped, lower 48 states. Unfortunately, guys, I only ship to the United States of America, lower 48 states. I apologize for that. I haven't branched out to ship to other countries as of yet. But as of right now, United States, lower 48 states, $12.75. This can be yours. Kutmaster Utica Stockman, guys. I am not quite sure. It looks like these are bone handles, but it could be plastic. It's just I'm very easily fooled sometimes. Might be plastic. Let's go with plastic. But it's got a jig bone pattern right here. Okay. Last up, guys. Check this out. What do you think this might be? It's got the word jumbo on it. It's got a crack right there. It had another crack on the other side, and I kind of filled that in a little bit with some JB Weld and dyed it the same color or a similar color. This is old, guys. This is very old. I'm thinking that this right here is probably for maybe the 30s, and it is a Hibbard Spencer Bartlett. Half stop, open, little snap. You can see the blade does have some heavy wear, but is very sharp, carbon steel. And right there it says Hibbard Spencer Bartlett. Now, Hibbard Spencer Bartlett, I believe they used to get other companies to make their knives, like maybe Camillus or other companies to make their knives. And they were kind of like a hardware store, I believe, a mom and pop type store that was around in the early 1900s. And they would get other companies and they would have their name put on the knives and they would sell their knives. Now I'm going to put this down because I cannot open that little blade. So we're going to open that fully and carefully try without cutting ourselves to open this little blade. I know some of you guys are cringing like, no, knife detector, don't do that. But I'm going to do it just so you guys can see the small blade because it's really in there. Very hard to open otherwise. So I think that small blade is pretty much all there, guys. And it is razor sharp, that small blade. It's really sharp. Okay, so that's in there. Maybe some WD-40 will do that. No snap open or closed on that boy. But let me tell you, he's tough. This guy, mid-stop. No snap closed, but it does snap open. We have one brass liner running through the middle. I think the others are steel. And it says jumbo right there. It's about 4 inches long, the knife closed. All right, guys, so I'm going to be selling these bad boys. Not this one. This one has too many years with me. Probably about 30 or so. I'm selling this one. Selling this thing. And I'm selling this boy. These are all going to go up for sale today at midnight, or should I say tomorrow at midnight. So If you like any of these guys, they're really reasonably priced. Oh, I forgot to tell you the price for this one, didn't I? This will be $22 shipped to you in the lower 48 states. First class package, $22, guys. $22 for this one. All right, boys and girls, so that's about it. The knife detector has gotten ready to go to bed and is about to sign off. And I just wanted to go ahead and give you a heads up as to what was going to be for sale tonight. I want to wish all my friends, my followers, my subscribers, a wonderful weekend. Hope you guys have a blessed weekend. Spend time with your family. I want you guys to know that family is the most important thing, and you want to spend every minute that you can with your loved ones, guys. So this is the Knife Detector, signing off, saying stay sharp, my friends, and God bless.